Are you over 75 and waking up with heavy, swollen legs? You are not alone.
That trapped fluid isn't just uncomfortable. It can drain your energy and affect your mobility.
But what if I told you a 5-minute move, done right in bed, could change everything? Tonight, we are going to unlock your circulation and help that fluid flow back where it belongs.
This is about more than just comfort. It is about reclaiming your freedom of movement. As we age, our lymphatic system needs a little extra help fighting gravity.
Gravity pulls fluid down all day. By the evening, your legs feel like lead.
Traditional exercise might be too much, but this bed move is designed specifically for your body.
Let's begin. First, ensure your back is flat and you feel completely supported. Take a deep breath in through your nose and feel your abdomen rise. Now, slowly lift your right leg, keeping the knee slightly bent. No need to strain. Hold it there for just a few seconds. Feel the blood beginning to shift.
Now, gently rotate your ankle in a clockwise circle. 3 times is perfect. Switch directions. Counterclockwise. This pumps the calf muscle.
The calf muscle is like a second heart. It pushes fluid back up to your torso. Lower the right leg slowly. Now, let's do the same with the left leg.
Consistency is more important than intensity. Smooth, rhythmic movements are key. As you move, imagine the fluid clearing away, leaving your legs light and refreshed.
Now, bring both knees toward your chest very gently, only as far as is comfortable. This posture helps reset the pelvis and opens up the main lymphatic channels. Rock slightly from side to side if it feels good. It's like a massage for your lower back. After 5 minutes of this, your body is primed for a night of deep recovery.
When you wake up tomorrow, notice how much lighter your ankles feel. Better circulation means better sleep. No more tossing and turning from leg discomfort.
This simple routine can become your most powerful tool for aging with grace.
Remember to stay hydrated throughout the day to keep that fluid moving.
And always listen to your body. If anything feels sharp or painful, stop and rest. You have spent a lifetime taking care of others. Now, it is time to take care of you. I've seen this move help thousands of seniors regain their morning energy. It's not about how fast you move, it's about the fact that you are moving. If you find this helpful, share it with a friend who might be struggling too.
We are a community, and we support each other on this journey of longevity.
Your legs carry the story of your life. Treat them with the kindness they deserve. Take these 5 minutes for yourself every single night. Make it a sacred habit.
You'll be amazed at how such a small change can create such a big impact.
Please consult with your doctor before starting any new physical routine. I am so proud of you for taking this step toward better health today. Don't forget to comment below and let me know how your legs feel tomorrow morning. Subscribe to join our family for more tips on thriving after 75. Sleep well, stay mobile, and I will see you in the next video.